Hello guys, what is happening? Welcome finally back to a brand new video. I apologise if the lighting's a bit naff. I haven't recorded one of these in so long. The sun outside is absolutely blinding, but I don't want to wait any longer because I am opening my new editing machine. So when I started, the first was the 12-inch MacBook. That was the first laptop I remember editing videos. It's where my love for Mac OS and eventually my love for Apple. Recording this on a 15 Pro Max. Yes, I got a new phone if I didn't already mention that in other videos because I have been away since September last year. I knew that I was wanting to get a new MacBook, so I got a 15-inch MacBook Pro. It was a refurbished older model which is no longer getting software updates, but it was a bit too big. It's good for media, it's good for backing up my iPhone and iPad, it's a good backup, but I wanted something to edit my YouTube videos on, explore Mac OS, and find other things to do as well. So that is where this comes in. So before I forget, I believe it was last year, I'll put on the screen exactly when, Lamar Wilson was a YouTuber who done tech reviews. I remember on Twitter, I sent him a meme that I made of him, and he liked it, but he was such a good YouTuber, a good guy from what I know of him. So this unboxing is for him. I was saving up to get a MacBook Air for a long time. Apple, however, they said they were going to raise the prices of their products because of AI making RAM and everything cost an insane amount more. I'm sure, they had an incentive to do it as well, to use that as a reasoning. I don't know, maybe, whatever. Amazon often does their products at a cheaper price because they buy them in bulk and for whatever Amazon can sell it for cheaper. I found out about the Apple price hikes 2 days later, but I was able to get this MacBook for roughly the same amount it cost on Amazon before the price hike. In total, I paid around $1,150 for the MacBook and the 70-watt adapter, and I had a £35 gift card because I signed up for the Barclay card, and a £5 that I made off the card. This is a 1TB, which is fairly standard in laptops nowadays, but I have Lenovo ThinkPad for Linux. I have an old MacBook Pro. I have enough storage, so 1TB's fine. 16GB of RAM, which for me, for editing videos, for what I do, should be more than enough. But I think if I am to buy a MacBook again in 6 or 7 or however many years time, I might get one with more RAM. But for now, 16's good. Anyway. And it comes in another ball. Obviously, for protection, it comes in another ball. Obviously. Okay, so this goes like this. Okay. I apologize for the way I'm trying to show this. Okay, and it comes out like this. And this is it here. Definitely has a bit of heft to it, not an air. Let's give it an open. Okay. So the color here kind of looks more like a blue. I did originally get the sky blue, then cancel the order because the midnight one was significantly cheaper. It was closer to the price the MacBook originally was on Amazon before going up. Let's see. Okay, this laptop is much lighter obviously than all the peripherals in the box. This is actually a really nice color. It's definitely like a darker blue fingerprint magnet. I literally only opened it up. I don't know if you can see. But it already has attracted some fingerprints and I just opened the fucking thing up. Definitely looks blue, like a dark blue, which I'm really happy with as opposed to just black. So yeah, I do like dark blue. I'll have to obviously clean the fingerprints. Don't want to put a case on a MacBook to protect the hinge, but it really seems a nice compact size. As you can see, it turns on. I'm not going to do much setup in this video. The first MacBook I have with a Touch ID. And this looks awesome. Obviously it's an Apple product, it's going to be awesome. Yeah, definitely going to be fun editing videos on this. Obviously slightly bigger than my old 12-inch MacBook, but a pretty decent size. I think the trackpad's definitely the biggest in a MacBook from what I remember compared to my other MacBooks.
To use British English as the main language, press
oh my god, shut the fuck up. And the backlit keyboard is nice, just kind of like just backlit, you know, not like insanely backlit, but that is nice. No, the fingerprints do go actually the fingerprints do go off. That kind of just looks like the underpaid Chinese slave who made this just didn't do a good enough job of wiping whatever dirt or something. That's a little bit better. But it still should not have been like that when I got it. It comes with a color matched cable. So I have a 29 watt adapter, the 70 watt hasn't come yet. I'm not sure the length of this, it probably says obviously in the specs. I wonder if my old 2015 MacBook MagSafe works.
How about new?
So all it comes with is just guides. Wonder, did Apple do away with the stickers? Thought there was something else in there. But yeah, I did wipe it and it does look better now. It feels good. Feels like what I was expecting, I suppose. Will be good to edit videos and I can do a update video saying how everything goes. I have like 4 or 5 videos to update. This is my motivation to work on my channel. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and I will see you all in the next one. Peace, guys. Thank you.